matrices of what exact kinds of results you get, but could you exclude, could that phenomenon happen? Yes. It looks to me like if it was, this is item 52.
Item 52 was the last blood drop out in the driveway area at Bundy.
Yes.
What did this result tell you about that blood drop?
You wouldn't exclude 1.2, 1.2.
Well, I'm sorry,
I'm sorry.
1.1 is on the list,
Oh,
isn't
yeah,
it?
that's right, okay.
Isn't that
You're
O-J
right,
Simpson?
you're right, okay. I guess we have all possible.
Wait! First of all, you can't
Sorry.
talk at the same time. Secondly, when I say wait, everybody stops, including you, Dr. Cotton, including you, Mr. Neufeld. You can't argue with the witness and with the answer that she's giving. You get to ask questions, you get to give answers, Doctor. Proceed.
Thank you.
To ask a few foundational questions. Mr. Neufeld?
For Alio.
That's right.
So what I'd like you to do, Dr. Cotton, is to add So, Dr. Cotton, is it fair to say then in the entire 6 years that your laboratory has been doing proficiency testing, there is not a single instance when you have ever been subjected to, to a blind external proficiency test?
That's exactly right.
Even though the top one is the same, it has an additional band up here. So for the second question, the suspect is excluded as being the donor of question number.
And that mistake led to the false match of 59 with samples 57 and 58. Isn't that correct?
That's correct.
And wouldn't you agree, Dr. Cotton, that the bands in this false match are as strong and as clear as the bands in the match between Mr. Simpson's sample and item 52 in this case?
Excuse me, objection argumentative, Your Honor, also irrelevant.
Sustained. All right, good morning, counsel. Back on the record in the Simpson matter. Mr. Simpson is again present with counsel, Mr. Cochran, Mr. Scheck, Mr. Neufeld, people represented, Mr. Clark, and Mr. Darden. Jury is
the probability you would pick a pair of people from the population that would have this combination of genotypes that would give, I'd rather work in some other quantitative sense than drops.
Have you reviewed any literature which suggested that there were approximately 20 drops of blood in a milliliter of blood?
Well, if